Welcome you all to Civil Action Note channel. In this channel, we are regularly making videos regarding job information for engineering candidates. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the vacancy which is came from RCFL recruitment. So sorry, RCFL. So it is in Rashtra Chemicals and Fertilizer Limited. So it is for the candidates of engineering background of civil, mechanical, and chemical. So undergraduate, those who have done BE or BTech or BSc in engineering, so they are called for this job recruitment. So all India peoples can apply for this job throughout the India, and it is for freshers. So the job role is going to be management trainee. So we are going to discuss about the important points in this notification for applying this job. So before going into that, if you are new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to get regular updates from our channel. So let's move on to the information which is came in the notification. So this was the notification website. Sorry, this was the website for Rashtra Chemicals and Fertilizer Limited. So I'm going to click on the HR section where you can find out recruitment. So when you click it, so it moves on to the next page. So at bottom you will find out advertisement for the post of management trainees in following disciplines in officers category. So you need to click on the click here section. So before that, here they are mentioned about when the registration link will be open. So it is on 29/7, so it is already open, and the last date for registering it is on 18/8/2022 5 p.m. So I'm going to open the advertisement. So when you click on here, so the advertisement get open. So here you can see the post of management trainee for the following disciplines. So you can see chemical and mechanical, and it is for boilers, so that you can leave it out. I will tell you about this, and safety and civil. So you can see these are the job vacancies, job roles, and here they are listed out how much vacancy is being allotted for this job role, and it is based on the reservation being given here, and the qualification for this is given in the right hand column. So you can see here, so you need to be completed 4 years regular course, BE, BTech or BSc engineering, which is approved or done under UGC or AICT, or 3 years regular and full time BE, BTech or BSc engineering graduates. So if you are going to apply for civil chemical, then it comes with chemical. If you are going to apply for civil, it comes with civil. So that's the difference, and you can see here, so the maximum minimum percentage you should got minimum percentage of 60%. Okay, and for the candidates of belonging to the SC and ST category, so they can get minimum of 55%, and the upper age limit, it is also being given. So the people who need it, please view it. And same for the mechanical, and the total number of posts is 4, and it has been spread out based on the reservation. And you can see the same thing which has been explained previously, so the same thing is going to be seen here. And we move on to the next one. So it is boiler. So it is for the candidates who are belonging to chemical, mechanical, instrumentation and electrical discipline. So those candidates can apply for this. So, and also you can see here, though they should have valid boiler operation engineer certificate. So then only you can apply for this. With getting this degree is not enough for applying this job role. You need to have this too. So boiler proficiency certificate, and you can see the same things which has been listed previously. So the same thing is going to be discussed here. And for the safety, the terms which are mentioned in the boiler, the same way the graduate should be in chemical discipline, and along with that they need to have a certificate which has been done in diploma in industrial safety. So this is main thing, so you need to make a note of it. And then you can see here, it is for civil. So the total number of vacancies is 3, and the split up you can see here. And the same thing which has been mentioned above, it is been mentioned here too. So these are the vacancies, these are the job roles. And you can see the trainee for fire. So it is also the people who are done B or BTech in fire and fire and safety discipline, and the things which have been mentioned previously, the same thing is been given here. And for the management trainee of CC lab, so it is for full-time graduation which has done master's degree, so in chemistry for them. And you can see for IT, so IT peoples, those who have completed computer science, they can go for it. And that's it, the job role. And here you can see what are the things which have been mentioned about, so the abbreviation and like that will be discussed here. I move on to the next section. So I will highlight only the information which is needed to go through. Okay, so before you are applying to this job, you need to go through a full notification and then apply for it. So the eligibility criteria which is mentioned in the educational qualification, the same thing must be must be followed. So please read out. And here in application fees, so the non-refundable of fees 1000 rupees will be collected through DD or through online. And it is from net banking or anything which is you need to be paid on online, credit or debit card, like that. And so salary and other things will be discussed here. So initially you are entered, after being selected, you are entered as a trainee for 1 year. During that period you will get around 30,000, and after the 1 year you will get around 77,400. So approximately they have given. And the selection process is going to be on position of management trainee. It is on 2 rounds, online test and personal interview. So online test, so the people who are applied will be called for the online test, and it is going to be an MCQ. Okay, and the admit card will be provided. And other things has also been given here, so please read it out. Okay, so please read it out. The main things will be given here, so I'm highlighting the important points only. And the personal interview, so the personal interview will be called in the ratio of 1:7, so that has been given here. So you will be intimated if you are get selected after you are attending the online examination and you are got selected, then they will send you SMS or mail to the things which you have registered. So please give your mail, then only if you are selected you can be get intimated. And also they will publish the peoples who are selected in their website, so that is also been given here. And some other more important points, like for attending for appearing a personal interview, what are the things will be given, like allowances. So this been discussed in here, so you can see it out. And the final selection will be based on these two which I mentioned previously. So 80% will be considered on online test, and personal interview will be 20%, so that comes around 100%. Okay, so based on that only they will employ it. And before you are getting employed, you need to go the medical examination, so that is also being given here. Please read it out. And how to apply, so you can see the section. So they have given some details. You need to be take these details, basic details like photograph, sign, and a thumb impression. So this is the thing which is been now said. So you need to have left thumb impression and handwritten declaration. So this is also a new thing, so I will tell it out clearly. So signature should not be in capital letters, and declaration which has been given, so you need to write it. Okay, so don't give it to any other, so you should write it. They will verify it when you are going for certificate verification. And you need to pay the fees on online only, so that has been mentioned previously, so you can see that and read all other informations too. So regarding the applying online, so bank transaction that has been given here, so please read it out. And payment of fees here also. And for uploading the documents, the file size should be, and the file size, and the photograph which you are going to be uploaded, so how it should be. So these details are being given here, so please read it out before you are applying for the job. And documents which need to be scanned, and how much file size should it should be, so that is also mentioned here. Please read it out. And how to apply for the how to upload the document, so that is also been listed out here. Please read it out. And other things, you need to consider the main important thing which I have mentioned previously. So the last date for online registration, so it is on 18/8/2022 at 5 p.m. and some of the important instruction is also being given here. Please read it out. And after this, after reading completely, after reading all the important things in the notification completely, so you need to come here, and for applying, so you should go on to it. Okay, so this was the information which is came from RCFL. So I think this information will be useful for the candidates who are looking for government jobs. And you can also see there are they have posted a number of vacancies for other streams. For MBA too, they have posted HR admin, HRD, so you can view it out. And for apprentices also been given, so please view all the things. Okay, so I will come up with more information in upcoming videos. Until that, thank you and bye.